In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create group by view in Google Sheets. If you want to organize a spreadsheet and quickly see rows grouped by a specific category, Google Sheets makes that process very simple. A group by view can help you make large sets of data easier to scan, especially when you're working with things like departments, statuses, regions, or any other repeated values in a column. To get started, go to Google Drive and open the Google Sheets file you want to work with. Make sure you're in the correct spreadsheet and on the sheet that contains the data you want to organize. Before creating the view, it's a good idea to quickly check that your table is set up clearly, with headers at the top of each column. That makes it easier to choose the right grouping option in the next steps. Once your sheet is open, select the data you want to include. You'll want to highlight the full range that contains your table, rather than just a single column, so the grouped view works with the complete data set. If your sheet already has a clean connected table, selecting anywhere inside the data may also be enough, but selecting the full range helps avoid mistakes. After that, move to the top menu and click Data. This is where Google Sheets keeps many of its tools for sorting, filtering, and organizing information. If you're new to Sheets, this menu is one of the main places you'll use when working with data-heavy spreadsheets. From the Data menu, click Create Group by View. As soon as you do that, Google Sheets will prepare a new grouped view based on the data you selected. This feature is useful because it lets you structure the sheet visually without having to manually rearrange every row yourself. Next, select the column you want to group by. This is the key part of the process because the column you choose determines how your information will be organized. For example, if you group by a status column, all rows with the same status will appear together. If you group by team, category, or location, the sheet will organize around those values instead. When choosing a column, think about the main way you want to analyze the data. Pick the field that will make the spreadsheet easiest to review at a glance. If needed, you can always adjust the view later and create a different grouping based on another column. And that's it. Once you select your column, your group by view is created and your data becomes much easier to explore and understand.